Beam. What is beam? Beam is a horizontal member in which all type of load is acting in transverse direction. Like this is beam, and the all type of load are in transverse direction. Types of support. First is hinge support. Here two reactions are acting. Let's see. We have considered here support. This is hinge support and this is beam. One reaction from vertical direction RV and one reaction from horizontal direction RH, and movement M is 0. Here no movement is acting because it is hinge support, that's why it is not free to move. Second, roller support. Here one reaction act, and diagram is like this. We have wheels here. Horizontal reaction, vertical reaction RV, horizontal reaction RH equals to 0, and movement M is also equals to 0. Third, fixed support. Here two reaction and one movement is acting. Its diagram is like this. This is a fixed end and movement M is acting on it, and reaction, vertical reaction is also acting on it, and horizontal reaction is also acting on it. Thank you. Types of loading. First is point load. This is beam and this is one column and this is another. Point load means the load acting at any point, and here the length between two columns is L, and let's say the load is W. Second is UDL, uniformly distributed load, and the diagram is like that. Or काट देंगे ना, and the diagram is like that. W Newton per meter, W Newton per meter, and length is L, length is L. Here total load is equal to W into L. Third is UVL, uniformly varying load. The diagram is length L, W Newton per meter, load is acting, and the load is applied at the centroid, considered at the centroid here, and its length is L by 3. The formula of total load is equals to 1 by 2 into W into length, is just like the area of triangle. Thank you. Types of beam. First is cantilever beam. Its diagram is, it is fixed from the one end and free at the another end. Second, simply supported beam. It is simply supported. It is support at both the end, and the length is L. The distance between the two columns is called span. Third is overhang beam. overhang beam. It is overhang from both the point, so it is called two-way overhang. Two-way overhang. And if it is like that, it is one way. Fourth is fixed beam. It is fixed from both ends. And fifth is continuous beam. This continuous beam. And sixth is propped beam. It is fixed at one end and roller support at the another end. Thank you.